Welcome to the channel, y'all. I know it's been a while since I've been here and posted a video. I know. But we're back. And this is actually unfortunate of how I'm back, but I can't leave y'all hanging. Yes, you see the title. Yeah, if you have TikTok and TikTok is your only income, you need to watch this video. But first, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, okay? Because we are on the road to 80,000 subscribers. And without you, there's no channel. So let's get into what has happened. At around 7:30 p.m. Pacific time today, January 18th, TikTok became banned, unavailable for US users, okay? When you open your app, TikTok was unavailable. Users started to receive a message that stated that the app was temporarily unavailable in the US due to a ban. I'll have it linked here. If you don't like TikTok and you never downloaded TikTok, this may not affect you, but majority of us love TikTok and this affected us. So the message also mentioned that President Trump will potentially is working on a solution to reinstate the app. Hopefully he reinstates it on January 20th. That's what I'm hoping, but we don't know. Right now we're just stuck. We're stuck in the limbo. People are saying this and that. We don't know. We are unclear of the answers. So for many creators such as myself, a lot of y'all have seen me on TikTok, and that's where I've been for the past 7 months. And I see some of my YouTube credit cousins actually, recognize me on TikTok saying, "Hey, aren't you designing Soapbox?" Yes. So if you saw me, you let me know down in the comments if you saw me on TikTok.
Buying fake Choco Must is literally your fault. When I've been making videos, countless videos about this scent, literally, I've had over 120 videos about Choco Must and you still ain't bought the right one? I've been trying to tell y'all that the one that is real is the one at the link down below. I've been showcasing this link forever and y'all still running around with fake Choco Must because y'all ain't ordering from the right seller. I mean, come on now, I'm the Choco Must girly. If you heard about Choco Must on TikTok, I know you see my face at least one or twice. If you want to smell like a sweet vanilla goddess, if you want to smell like toasted marshmallow s'mores, a warm sugary cookie, if you want people to stop in their tracks and compliment you, if you want that ninja to be on your line all day and he can't stop calling you because he is in love with that scent, he's like, "Ooh, this girl smells so good. She looks so good. She always smells good when I'm around her." Ain't no girly like out there like that. Choco Must, literally. I've been trying to tell y'all this is the perfect fall and winter scent. Grab it now. Grab it now. I'm in love with the Choco. Y'all know, y'all heard of it. If you in love with the Choco, I'm gonna need y'all to comment down right now. I'm in love with the Choco. Hey, comment down now and tap your shopping cart and grab you a few bottles. You see me, I'm stacked up. I'm stacked up. Grab your Choco Must down below at the link and stop procrastinating. Stop procrastinating. My 92-year-old grandma has been keeping this secret for years and I had to share it. She told me if I start spraying magnesium oil on my feet and neck every night, it can make a big difference. Since I've been doing this, suddenly my insulin and cortisol levels have been balancing out and my metabolism has been super fast. I feel like a 20-year-old. I have been getting thick hair, no more sugar or salty food cravings, and I don't need caffeine anymore during those 2 p.m. slugs. And guess what? No more 3 p.m. energy crashes since my anxiety is easing and my bloating is going down and I have more energy throughout the day. This is the real deal. I'm already feeling the difference. Tap that shopping cart to grab yours before it's gone.
But now we're not on TikTok. We're here on YouTube. So the news was a shock. Just imagine just scrolling on your app and then bam, they just cut it off, close the app. But don't worry, okay? If TikTok was your only income, okay, I'm here to give you some options. TikTok changed lives, okay? Whether you did TikTok Live, TikTok Creator Program, or TikTok Shop, which is one of the biggest e-commerce affiliate program that changed lives. And that's what I was a part of. If you guys checked out some of my community tabs, I will constantly post how much I made in a day. And for an average person, that could be life-changing. So if TikTok actually comes back, I'll go more into detail of that so that we all can change our lives. But for right now, we're going to talk about what we can do in the meantime. If you are a TikTok shop creator, I do want to say that TikTok is actually functioning in non-US countries, meaning your affiliate links and orders will remain active if the item is available internationally. So you can still make money for the time being because it's not officially banned. It's just temporarily banned for right now until we figure out if President Trump will ban it or not. If you have money sitting in your account, I'll have it linked up here, also in the description below, of a link that you need to do to set up your auto withdrawal for a TikTok shop earning. That is an absolute must, because if you're a person that just withdraw your income every day and don't have auto withdrawal set up, then your money will sit. It will sit. And if TikTok is banned Tuesday or Wednesday, you're not going to get a withdrawal from to your bank account or to your PayPal account. So I'll have that link down below where you can actually withdraw your funds, and it will actually process automatically every Wednesday or Tuesday. So make sure your bank account information is up to date to avoid any delays, and I'll have that all linked below. If this is your only income, this should be a reminder to never put your eggs in one basket. For example, you see how I was on TikTok, but when TikTok banned, I can always jump back on YouTube and make my content. I can repurpose my content on YouTube. I could always do something different. You want to diversify your income. So if you didn't know, now you know. Okay, so this ban is a reminder why we should never rely on one income. Here are two other options right now while we explore and see what TikTok got going on and why they handle out their issues. So the Flip app. The Flip app is actually a fantastic option for the TikTok refugees. Okay, here's why. It pays you per video view, and with estimated around like $10 to $15 per 1,000 view. You don't need a follower account requirement to start. Literally, when I opened the app, I earned $40 in rewards watching 150 videos within like 30 minutes, and I was able to purchase something for free. Now, to join, you must purchase a product from the platform, post videos, and tag products. So it's very similar to TikTok, where you have to purchase a refundable product or request a free product. And how they do it is you have to just interact with posts in order to earn that money so that you can purchase a free product. Very easy to do so. But however, it's a little bit different. Say for instance, you get a 3 million view video on TikTok and you don't get paid per view. You only get paid per sale on that video. Where on Flip, you get paid for both. So you get paid per view and per product sale. So many creators have already reported earning lots of income from videos that they repurpose on TikTok. Make sure it's branded for another platform, and also make sure that product is on that platform. But that is how you can make income right now as we speak on the Flip app. Before I made this video, I did check it out, and actually the Flip app is having major issues. Actually right here, they're telling people that they're having a major surge in demand because of TikTok refugees are coming to the app. Let them get that together. But the second one that you could do is the Amazon influencer program. And if you are a TikTok shop creator, you should already know about this. You should have already been uploading your TikTok videos to your Amazon influencer program. Now this is an OG income stream, meaning that this is way here before TikTok. And this is what I recommend to a lot of people. You can earn commissions between 1 to 5% creating product reviews and videos. These videos are featured directly on the Amazon product pages, meaning shoppers are more likely to click and buy and watch your content. Now that TikTok is offline, people are now going to shop on Amazon like there's no tomorrow because people love to buy and people want their products. So this is the time to make it shine and repurpose your content right now on Amazon. Now, payments do take longer on Amazon. It may take 2 months. So what you earn this month in January or February, you might get paid in March or April. Now, getting started is super easy, y'all. All you have to do is apply using your social media account. If you had a high following on your TikTok account, still apply. Obviously, you can apply for your TikTok account right now. But use your Instagram, use your YouTube, create one, just use it, your Pinterest, whatever. Upload all of the videos that you can. If you are a TikTok shop creator, you already know that you should have had your data downloaded before. You can still retrieve your data as of right now. All you have to do, I'll have that link down below where you can retrieve all your data and download all of your videos, even though TikTok platform is down right now. Now, To get started, all you have to do is actually submit 3 product videos. They will review your videos to make sure that it fits with the Amazon affiliate program. So whether you try Flip or Amazon, many people are also going to Red Note, but I don't think you can monetize on that. You would basically have to interact with sellers that are in China or that are from the TikTok platform if you already have direct communication with them, and then you could post product reviews on there. But there's no actual monetization on the Red Note app. So that's why I didn't mention that one, but a lot of users are going there, okay? Just to interact. They're not going there to make income unless you have a business, but who knows? I may make another video on Red Note maybe next week if TikTok is still banned. But the key is to grow consistently on these income streams, even if TikTok comes back. If it comes back for 90 days, in 90 days, you can actually blow up on both platforms, the Flip or the Amazon affiliate program. So just in case this happens again, you don't be stuck. I want you guys to understand, don't stress, plan ahead. I know it's a tough time right now for a lot of users, but just remember, this may be only temporary, and it can return as early as Monday, who knows? But in the meantime, let's focus on diversifying income, staying proactive, and testing new content strategies on Amazon or Flip, or you can even come right here on YouTube and do YouTube affiliate program or YouTube Shorts. So I will be sharing the updates as I go right here. So make sure you subscribe, follow, and comment down if you are a TikTok refugee and what is your plan so we can all help one another. This is a community where we help and share because we are in this together. And don't forget, we are on the road to 80,000 subscribers. So let's get there. Stay positive, stay creative, and I'll see you on the next video. Ta-ta!